Class B, you see, the main logic of class B amplifier is the transistor is on only for one half of the input cycle. Either you can choose positive half or you can choose negative half where the transistor should be on. Here we are choosing the positive half. So you see only positive half cycle is amplified, the negative half cycle is zero. The transistor is off during the negative half cycle. Off now it is in cutoff state. Correct. So only in cutoff state the current is zero. So in the positive half amplification takes place, and the negative half the transistor output is zero because the transistor is cut off. Input side you are supplying a full waveform only, but in that full waveform only part of the waveform is amplified. Only the positive half cycle is amplified. Again you see from 2 pi to 3 pi the positive half cycle is amplified. From 3 pi to 4 pi the negative half cycle is not amplified. So ஒரு full cycle only positive half cycle is amplified, negative half cycle the transistor is off, so the transistor is conducting only for 50% of the time. The transistor is becoming lazy and lazy. It is working only for 50% of the time. In terms of angle, if you say the transistor is on only for one half cycle or 180 degrees of the input signal, 0 to pi. You can see amplification happens from 0 to pi, pi to 2 pi, it is 0. And efficiency is, why we are having a very high efficiency in class B amplifier? Efficiency is 78.5 as we see in the previous slide. Can anybody say why the efficiency is very high in class B amplifier, even though the signal is cut at the output side, negative half cycle is cut at the output side? Why is the efficiency high for class B amplifier? Why is the efficiency high? Think and say. It is logically you have to think and say. For class A, it is conducting for the entire cycle. The efficiency is very poor. Class B, it is conducting only for 50% of the time. Can you say the reason why the efficiency is high for class B amplifier? The reason is for the negative half cycle, there is no conduction. No conduction means zero power loss. So power loss is happening only in the positive half cycle. In the negative half cycle, the power loss is zero. But in the previous class A amplifier, power loss happens both in positive half cycle as well as negative half cycle. That is why we say the efficiency of class B is very high. So efficiency is very high. But what is compromised? Linearity. So linearity slowly starts reducing. The linearity is not maintained in class B